my name is Marcella and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you have been with me before. Today we're going to be talking about 10 Avon terms or words that you should know to be a successful representative. So I thought it was funny because I already have a blog post on this entire topic. Make sure that you check out the description box down below so you can find the rest of the terms, because there's definitely a lot more than these 10. But I always have new representatives that ask me, Marcella, what's a campaign? What are award sales? What's a mentor? What's leadership? So many questions, because Avon really does have its own terms. And so today we're going to be discussing those terms. But before we get into that, I want to make sure that if you're not already subscribed to my channel, to please consider subscribing, as I do come out with new Avon related videos every single week, from training videos like this one to product reviews to full-on makeup tutorials. So go ahead and join my community so you can be in the know of when I upload new videos. So let's go ahead and get onto the terms. So the first one, and everybody always asks me about this, is campaign. So you're gonna hear the word campaign so often when you are an Avon representative. What a campaign is a 2-week selling period. With Avon, we do have 26 campaigns in the selling year, and the selling year is always gonna begin in December. So for example, it's September 2020. This may go up in October. So the selling year for 2021 is gonna begin in December of 2020. Hope that makes sense. I will go ahead and link the campaign calendar for 2020, and once the 2021 calendar comes out, I'll make sure to link that down below too. So you're going to notice when you look at an Avon book, there's always going to be a campaign number attached to that book. That campaign obviously corresponds to that book. Every 2 weeks, there's a new Avon book with a new campaign, and there's always going to be new products that come out every campaign. This is a What's New book. So this is a book that is very special to Avon representatives. It's a way that we as representatives can get our hands on new products before our customers can, or other people that are not your customers, right? So we get to see What's New books 2 campaigns in advance. For example, we're currently in campaign 22. I can see products from campaign 23 and 24 in advance. So the awesome thing is I can share these new products on social media to my customers. I can test them out. Next is an online store. So as an Avon representative, we all, no matter if you signed up with a $30 kit or for free, we all get free online stores. And these online stores can be personalized by each representative. You can add a photo, you can add a bio. If you create YouTube videos like I do, you can link your videos in your online store as well. And this is a way that your customers can shop from you 24/7 nationwide. So for example, I live here in Michigan, but I have friends that shop from me in Texas, in California, in Georgia, all over the United States. And the awesome thing is that whoever orders from your online store, they are going to get their products shipped directly to them to their house. You don't have to worry about charging your customer, picking up an order, delivering it to her, because Avon takes care of that for you all through your online store. You don't even have to worry about pay. Avon takes care of that too. And so any purchases that are made through your online store, you are going to earn based on that sale, and that's going to go to your direct deposit. So you want to make sure that you are signed up for a direct deposit, because that is the way that Avon pays you on your online store earnings. Next is avonnow.com, and this is a website for all Avon representatives. You're going to log in with your account number, so make sure you have that handy, and the password that you created. This is a place where you are going to place orders, so whether you're ordering products for yourself or you're ordering products for customers. This is a place where you can also pay Avon, where you can also get any type of Avon news, and you can also access training. So you want to make sure that whether you're using the Avon Now app or you're using it on your laptop, that you have that website readily available, because if you're like me, I am on that website probably like 50 times a day, just checking in on my sales, checking in on my customers, checking in on my teammates, because I also am in leadership with Avon. And so make sure that you know how to log into avonnow.com. A lot of new representatives seem to think that they place their orders via their online store, but no, your online store is only for your customers. avonnow.com is going to be for you, the Avon representative. Next is length of association, or LOA. So LOA is the number of campaigns or 2-week cycles that a person has been a representative. So if you ever go into your account, you'll see LOA 20, LOA 100, LOA 300. I mean, I've seen LOAs like up to like 500. Like people have been in Avon for years. So it's showing you just how many campaigns you have been an Avon representative. Next is advisor or mentor. And so there's different terms for this one, or even maybe somebody who sponsored you. So this is going to be the person that recruited you to join their team. This is a person that is going to help you, mentor you. I mean, at least I hope that your advisor is helping you and mentoring you. And if you're not an Avon representative at the moment, but you're thinking about joining Avon, please make sure that you select the correct mentor for you. Do some research, whether it's me, if you really like the way that I do my training videos, or if you find another Avon representative on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, what have you, make sure that you connect with that person first, talk to them. Next is Contender. So now I'm getting a little bit into the earnings titles with Avon. So if you want to learn all about Avon's compensation plan, I'm going to leave a video down below where I talk about the different levels. So now let's talk about what a contender is. So if you're a new representative watching this, you are more than likely a contender. You start off as a contender, and this is a representative that has award sales up to $4,999 per year. So from campaign 1 to campaign 26. Now let's talk about the premier sales level. So this is a representative with award sales of $5,000 to $9,999 in the campaign year. And now let's talk about the President's Recognition Program, or PRP. And this is a representative that has award sales of over $10,000 in the year. So again, from campaign 1 to 26. And then next we have representative earnings. So this one is really, really important because a lot of new representatives wonder, you know, Marcella, how do I get paid? Can you explain that to me a little bit more? So this is the difference between the prices listed in the book and the price that you pay for the product. So for example, let's say I have a customer named Angela. Angela tells me, hey Marcella, I want to order this cream in the book. I look at the book, it's retailed for $30. I'm gonna make sure I charge Angela the $30 for the cream, sales tax, and at least a shipping charge. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna charge Angela that. I go ahead and order the products for her in avonnow.com, and Avon is gonna charge me depending on my sales level. So let's say I'm a contender. They're gonna deduct 25% from that cream, which is $7.50. So that's what Avon is charging me for that cream. So those are my earnings on that cream, $7.50. Alrighty guys, so there you have it, 10 terms that you should know as a new Avon representative, or even if you're not new and you just didn't know some of these terms. I'm glad you're watching this video and educating yourself a little bit more on these Avon terms. Please don't forget to click the description box down below and check out my blog post where I have a ton of other Avon terms that you should know. Thank you again so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.